Hi, it's Miss Parrot, and welcome back to the AP Bio Words That Matter series. In this series, we decode words that you're going to see on the AP Biology exam so that you can understand what the question is asking and how to choose the best answer or write the best answer to earn the most points. Today, we're looking at the first 5 words in skill set 4, interpreting cause, effect, and relationships. These are words that are really important for science process 6, which is argumentation. Here, we're going to tell how these words tell how strong a claim is allowed to be. So if you have a question that asks you to claim something and then to justify, these are words you're going to see in that context. Okay, our first word is cause. The cause, so when AP Bio says cause, it's looking at the thing that directly produces the effect. It is the root. It is the culprit. That's the thing that did it, absolutely. So an example of how you might see that in the AP Bio exam would be something like a frame shift mutation can cause a change in protein folding. That's true, and that's a good example. When AP Bio says lead to, that's a little lighter than cause. One thing leads to another. That means that it results in an outcome. So it's not as strong as the word cause. An example could be increased enzyme concentration may lead to an increased reaction rate. Right? This thing results in this other thing. Next, a little lighter, is to influence. So influence means that it's affecting the outcome, but it's not the sole or root cause. So it's in the mix, it's making a difference, but it's not the root of it. So an example of when you might see this in AP Bio would be environmental factors may influence gene expression. A really cool example of that is the licked mice experiment. Don't worry, it's not people licking mice, it's mother mice licking their baby mice. Check it out. I'll link something somewhere because it's a really neat experiment. And then we have associated with. This is even lighter than influence. These are when one thing is associated with another thing, they're linked, but it's not a causal relationship. So something like increased surface area to volume ratio is linked to higher rates of diffusion. So it's not like always the root cause, but when you see one, you're often going to see the other. And then the idea of likely or likelihood. Likely means there's a higher probability that that thing will happen. So an example would be like in evolution, organisms or natural selection, organisms with beneficial traits are more likely to survive and pass their genes on to their offspring. So those are the first 5 words. Next week, I'll bring you 5 more in this skill set. Keep learning, keep growing. And if this video is helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel to be sure you catch all these videos, and my AP Bio Equations Explained series and my AP Bio Exam Skills series. Those are all the new things coming out. Leave a comment, a question, or an emoji down below. Teachers, check out my TPT store, Know and Grow with Gnomes, for resources related to this video and all my other content. We'll see you next time.